You're gonna dance?
4,
4.
4,
You like 4?
4,
2 plus 2 equals?
4.
4. Good girl. Is that a horsey? Wow. Nice horse. What about a duck?
Drop it.
No. Good girl. Yes. What's that? Is that your gun? Okay, you like your gun. Thank you. What a nice kiss. Why, thank you. You're funny. Yes, you are. Jennifer. Good. Where is she? Where's Jennifer? Jennifer. Where's Jennifer? Good girl. Jennifer. Yeah. What?
Drop it.
You dropped it. Yes, you did. You dropped it.
Drop it.
You did. You dropped it on the floor. Is that a rooster? And a duck? Wow, what else you got? Nice duck. Yeah, 2 plus 2 equals? No, not the E. What? Oh, that's so pretty. Can you tell me what 2 plus 2 equals? What's it equal? No. What? What? You're evil. Oh, wow. Nobody likes evil birdies. Pretty birdie, yes you are. Yes, and you can whistle. We're the mommy, huh? Stick 'em up. Good girl. Yes you are. Yes you are. 1, 2, 3.
4.
Good girl. Is that a crow? Ooh, nice crow. What's a crow say? No, you just did it. A crow? Caw, caw. That's a pirate. Arr. What? Okay. Where's Jennifer? You're calling her. Say Jennifer. No, say Jennifer. No, say Jennifer. Jennifer. Yeah, I know, she likes the gun. Can you sing Jennifer a song? Can you sing her a song? No. Oh, beautiful. Yay. Very pretty. Yes, thank you for the kiss. Can we say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good girl. Bye-bye. Say I love you.
Bye-bye.
No, you said bye-bye. Hey, that's naughty. That's a naughty noise. Yeah.
Girl.
You're a girl? Yes. What are we whispering for?
Bye-bye.
Jennifer. Good girl. Jennifer. Yeah. Oh. Ow. Aw. What
Drop
happened? You dropped it. Good girl. You drop seeds when you're done, huh?
Kyleigh.
Kyleigh, is that your name? What's your name? Huh? What's your name?
Kyleigh.
Kyleigh, good girl. Hey, Kyleigh. Is that naughty? That's a naughty noise, huh? Yeah, that's naughty. You say sorry?
What?
Say sorry. Yeah, say sorry. Are you shy?
Bye-bye.
Jennifer. Yes, you're calling Jennifer. Say, we miss Jennifer. Yes, we do. We miss her. Yes, we do. Ooh, what? What do you think of Grandma? Good girl. Yes, what do you think of Grandma? That's funny.
Yeah.
What? Are you evil? Huh? You go to work? In the morning. Good girl. With a duck? How about a chicken? How about a chicken? Or a monkey? Good girl. Yes, good girl. Okay, say I love you.
Hello.
No, that was a hello. Yeah, that was a
Bye-bye.
Jennifer. Yeah, Jennifer's at work. Yeah, Jennifer's at work. With the duck, obviously. Geico. Yeah. With Geico. Okay. So bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good girl.